What's up, Pyros? Today we're going to take a look at another Raccoon Pro Line item, but this one should be spectacular as we have a red, white, and blue tails to Trueno instant fire, 100 shot, 5-second duration. Yeah, we got the Pro Line main fuse and the backup or secondary in case we need to line it from the backside, but with it being 100 shots in 5 seconds, you know it's going to be impactful. I'm assuming we're going to have red, white, and blue with some loud noise. So Pyros, let me know what you think of this cake in the comments down below. I'm excited to shoot it. Shout out to Raccoon Fireworks for letting me demo this item on the channel for you guys. But for now, Pyros, I hope you enjoy, and we'll see you all in the next demo video.